With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we are asked to choose the correct option with the function of cytoskeleton. So the first function that's given to us is mechanical support, B, cell division, C, cell motility, D, maintenance of the shape of the cell, E, storage of the starch. So simply we first discuss about what the cytoskeleton is, and then we will discuss its functions. So simply we discuss about the cytoskeleton first of all. So it's simply a network of filaments, right? It is the network of filaments and the tubules that extends throughout the cell, right? So it's a network of filament and the tubules that extends throughout a cell through the cytoplasm, which is all of the material within a cell except for the nucleus. So it is found in all the cells, though the protein that is made of vary between organisms. So in simple words, the cytoskeleton is any structure, right? It's basically a structure that helps the cell in maintaining their shape and internal organization. So it is the structure that helps the cells to maintain their shape and the internal organization, right? And the internal organization, and hence it provides the mechanical support, right? So its function is that it provides the mechanical support, right? Mechanical support that enable the cell to carry out essential functions such as the division, movement, right? Division, movement, and hence we have discussed that it maintains the shape of the cell and internal organization of the cell. So we look at the option. So yes, A is correct. It provides mechanical support, right? It has a function of cell division as well, right? It is even involved in cell motility that we have discussed here, the movement, right? So C is also correct. And lastly, the maintenance of the shape of the cell, C, yes, this is also we have discussed here. And the last, that the storage of starch, so this is not we have discussed because this is not the function of the cytoskeleton anyway. So the E part is not involved as a function here, so we will not be involving E part. So hence option 1 will be wrong because it is involving E. Similarly with option 2, similarly with option 3. So hence only the option 4 is correct because it is not involving the E part. So option 4 is our correct answer here, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.